Hello and welcome team. Here's the video for our reference and guidelines.
This instructional video shows how to install, wire, and program the Carel PQ temperature control. Kit components: electronic temperature control with display, control faceplate, retaining clips, defrost probe, temperature cycle probe, 4-pole terminal block, 1/4-inch female spade connectors, 5-way lever connector, black wire with 1/4-inch female spade connector, control brackets, power cord bracket, 3 1/8-inch foam tape, 8 18/2-inch hex head screws, reusable cable tie clamp, caps, bushings, hazardous food warning label. Required tools include, but may not be limited to the following: eye protection, gloves, Phillips screwdriver or bit driver, 1/4-inch hex head driver, wire stripper, cutter, crimper, small flat blade screwdriver, putty knife, pliers, drill. Throughout this video, we will refer to the Carel PQ installation documents. Identify the brackets required for your application. See the control assembly instructions. Locate and access the existing temperature control. Temperature control location varies by model. If you are replacing a Danfoss EETA control, determine the scenario for your application. Follow the scenario instructions. Different scenarios have different steps. If you are replacing a Carel PQ control, remove the retainer clips and then remove the existing control. Clip the replacement control into the control bracket. Snap the faceplate onto the control. Locate or download the unit's original wiring diagram from TRU's serial number lookup. See link in the description. Verify probe resistance: 32.65 kilo ohms at freezing, 10 kilo ohms at room temperature. If incorrect resistance is found, replace the probes. If replacing a Danfoss EETA and you are reusing the existing probes, remove the connectors. Snap the 4-pole terminal block into the control at terminals 8 through 11. Note: be sure the terminal block is fully seated. The terminal block clicks into place. Connect the probe wires to the terminal block as directed in the wiring and install instructions. If you are replacing a Carel control, wire the replacement control according to the original wiring diagram. If you are replacing a Danfoss EETA control, wire the replacement control as directed in the wiring instructions. If you are replacing a Danfoss EETA control with a relay installed, wire the replacement control as directed in the wiring instructions. Note: the external relay must be removed. Mount the control and control bracket per the appropriate scenario instructions. The replacement control is pre-programmed for universal use and may require changes to parameter settings based on model type and application for the appliance to operate correctly. Check if your model requires parameter changes. Make any parameter changes as directed in the programming instructions. If you need to change the set point, do so after adjusting parameters. If changing the set point above 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius, apply the hazardous food warning label near the serial label.